So this week, each host is giving their summer reading list in a series we like to call Ladies Get Lit. First up, so this is a book I'm loving right now, or have read, and think everybody should read it. So the first book is The Little Bird Who Let Go by author Darnell Anderson. Here is a brief description of what the book is about. Sometimes feelings get really big, like storm clouds in our chest, or fireworks in our brain. And it happens, it can be hard to find the right words or even know what we need. Big heart feelings are when your heart feels squished, your tummy feels twisty, or your face wants to cry. They come when someone says something mean, or when you feel left out, or when things don't go the way you hoped. Sometimes your feelings are too big to carry, and you don't know what to do with them. This book helps kids understand why big emotions, like anger or worry, can feel so overwhelming. And that is a brief description of this wonderful children's book. I hope you enjoy it. The book is available to purchase on Amazon today.